Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and I'll show you how to change icon shape on this device with X icon editor application. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool just type X icon changer. Now just we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. While application installing on your device, now just open the app and as you can see here, we got all our available icons, applications, and you can choose one from the applications and change the icon. For example, we'll go in with the contacts. You can also rename if you want. I don't want to do that. Here we get the library of our new icons and shapes of our icons. Here you can also add from your galleries photos. Also you can take a picture right now, or you can also here by tap to this plus add more folders with the icons. For example, we can go with this one, and we have to watch the video right now just to add this folder with these icons. I just will wait a couple of seconds, and then just here tap on the right upper corner this is the X icon, and now as can you see, we just successfully added new icon folder to our library. And for example, now we'll just that's like a mail. Okay, we'll go with this icon. Now just tap here to OK on the right upper corner, and just we'll wait a couple of seconds. Now just tap here on the right upper corner to the X icon, and now we can change the next icon by the same way. Just select, and now we'll just check our new contact icons with we'll check and we'll see the difference. Yes, can you see we got here new icon. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.